Hello and welcome back to the Eisen FX. And in today's video, we're gonna learn and we're gonna see how the Mambafx strategy works. This is a goal of making 10K a month at the end of this year. I'm gonna make it how is gonna my plan works and everything we're gonna decide today. Already I have decided, but I'm gonna tell you today. And yes, I got funded in 8 days. Here's my proof. See, this is my payment. This is my certificate proof that I got funded recently on the 4th of September, and today is 6th of September. And how I passed my funded accounts in 8 days, I'm gonna tell you how exactly step by step in this video. And we're gonna learn about Mamba FX in brief today, and gonna do some back testing. So, so before showing that, let me show you. Let me. Yep. Let me make you my Discord thing. See here, I passed the certificates in 8 days using the same exact strategy, the same steps I do. And this is on the 4th of September, as I told you right now. And now it's 6th of August, and I passed in 8 days. My second account is the Top Step account. I passed it in like almost 2 days before its monthly subscription. So yes, I got two accounts of funded. One I haven't put yet, but I will. And here's my Discord link. You will get it in the bio about my PNL. I'm making everything now from today. So let's back to our video without wasting any time. Yep. So yes, you can see the screen. Okay. So what exactly we have to do? Okay. First of all, we have to go to the 5 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna tell you my exact whole August recap. Like what I have to do at market open. Okay. So here's the market open. And what I have to see the latest support and resistance zones. Okay, for example, this is my resistance zone. Okay, in 5 minutes time frame before market open, and this is NQ. This is very simple and Mambafx style strategy. And then my resistance area would be this. Okay, so I'm gonna enter right somewhere. I need some kind of volume. Then my stop loss would be around 20 pips or like anything you're comfortable with. And I'm gonna target the next liquidity zones. That is, there's no liquidity zone, so I'm gonna target 1:2. Okay, let's see how it's gonna play. Okay, so market goes there, then market just drop this. See how easily I got win here. I just type it win and make it 40. Now let's go back to the another day. Okay, this is the August recap. So I have a resistance zone somewhere here. Okay, then I have a support zone here. Then if I see, I'm gonna enter here somewhere, target this liquidity zone, and okay. But if in bottom, I have not too much kind of liquidity zones. Gonna target this area. Hey, let's see how it's gonna work. Doesn't tap, got tapped here, and it just taken out the liquidity. You see, all goes for the liquidities. So I got a win here. So now let's go to the another day. This is 3rd of September. So as I can see, there is not much of things. I have a liquidity zone here. Oh, I have a support zone here. I have a resistance zone here. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is looking for the targets. I'm gonna target these liquidities. And for upside, I'm gonna target this. liquidity zones. I enter and smash my TP. So this is also a win. This video is not gonna be too long. I'm just making it like around. I have to. So basically, what I have to do, we have to come to a. Okay, let me write down the steps for you. Okay, so first step is uh come to chart 10 minutes before market open. Yes, I know that you can't see this. Okay. Second point is mark the recent support and resistance. Okay. Before the market open. Third step is wait for the breakout of top slash bottom with high volume or momentum. Okay, so these are our steps. Okay, so these are our steps. Let's back to our video. This W, got W here. So let me tell you again. Okay, so this is market open. Okay, so this is market open. I have some liquidities here and liquidity above side. So what I'm looking for a recent resistance area. Okay, recent resistance area and recent support area, that is here somewhere. So what? Okay, so this is our support, recent support, and let me just see, make it. Okay, so I'm gonna target one of these liquidity zones here. Let's see if this hits. I'm gonna target, and for the above side, I take, if I lose one, I take another trades, half the risk. That's how my risk management works. I'm gonna target this liquidity now. What else to do? Max. Don't care if the liquidity is here. All TP hit. Okay. So you can see my exact stop losses are this. So this is also a win here. I got a win here, a win in a rows. So let's see. Next day, yeah, I can see the win here again. Let's mark out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This candle just over. So what have to do? We come to the market open. Mark out the recent resistance area. Mark out the recent support area. Okay. And for the targets, target these liquidity zones. So here is my target would be. Very interested in that target. And for the upside, I'm gonna wait to break here somewhere, target this high. My risk reward not be 1:2 sometimes, but it's okay. So I entered. Okay, I entered here. Market comes here again, and then if you see, market goes to my target. And if I can I can target this is 1:2. So this is also a W. And if I go to the another day, okay, so as I can see, I got a good resistance here around this area. And then if I see I have a good support area here, and I'm gonna target from here. I just want this liquidity to be taken out first. Then my target would be this. And for the resistance side, my target would be this. And if I see, this would be my stop loss. So what I do, I just make the market resistance, and I can see there is a small kind of trend line or uptrend. Okay, uptrend channel. Or maybe this would be a valid line. Yes, this would be a valid line. Market is on up. This is secondary trend line. So let's see how it's gonna go. Yep, boom. It's gonna target this liquidity or no, just reversing from there. Yeah, see, our target hit here. So let's put some W's here. So yes, this is the basic overview of the strategy. If you want, you can join my Discord, link in bio, link in YouTube bio. And yes, I'm gonna live trade in upcoming months. I need some base to make do live trading. Yeah, and it's gonna be free. And yes, how to avoid fake outs and everything. This is some secret sauce that yes, the Discord members gonna give that. And yes, that's all for the video, guys. So that's simple how the simple strategy works. Only the support and resistance recent and how we gonna do. At the end, I wanna say make it simple. If you make it simple, you're gonna make profits. That's how. Thank you for joining, tuning. We're gonna meet on the next video where I'm gonna post my live trades. So yep. Bye bye guys.